If your factory is constantly behind schedule, it's not because of demand. It's not because of your people, and it's usually not because of your ERP system. It's because planning and scheduling are not aligned, and most companies don't even realize it. This is one of the most common breakdowns I see in operations. And once you see it, it becomes obvious why things don't flow. Planning is about defining what should happen. Systems like MRP generate a plan based on demand, lead times, inventory, and BOMs. But that plan is unconstrained. It assumes everything will go according to plan, infinite capacity, no disruptions, perfect execution. And that's not how real factories operate. Scheduling is about defining what can happen. Schedulers take the plan and apply real-world constraints, machine capacity, labor availability, setup times, and sequencing. They are responsible for turning the plan into something the floor can actually execute. And that step is where most companies break down. Here's what I typically see. The system generates a plan, but that plan never gets translated into a realistic schedule. Work orders are released too early or too late. Jobs are started without all materials available. Production sequences are constantly changing. And the result? The factory is always behind. Not because the demand is wrong, but because the plan was never executable to begin with. Another issue is role confusion. Planners think they are responsible for the schedule. Schedulers are reacting to problems instead of managing flow. And operations is constantly adjusting on the fly. There's no clear ownership, so the system becomes reactive instead of controlled. When planning and scheduling aren't aligned, the entire operation shifts into firefighting mode. Orders are constantly being expedited, priorities change every day, and teams spend more time reacting than executing. At that point, you're not running a system, you're managing chaos. Fixing this starts with clarity. First, define the roles clearly. Planning defines what should happen. Scheduling defines what can happen. Second, ensure the plan is reviewed and translated into a constrained schedule. Third, create a daily execution cadence. What's running today? What's at risk? What needs escalation? When those elements are in place, the factory starts to stabilize. If your factory is constantly behind, it's not random, it's a system issue. Planning is unconstrained, scheduling is reactive, and execution is inconsistent. Once you align those three elements, you stop reacting and you start controlling the operation. I'm Michelle from Streamline Consulting Group, your SIOP and supply chain strategist. Like, subscribe, and share if you want to fix the flow and grow your business.